Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Made Simple. One of the first things you need to understand while creating your budget is the difference between fixed and variable expenses. It's important to learn how to manage both in your budget plan. Today, I'll break it down for you. Let's start with fixed expenses. These are the bills that stay the same every month. You know exactly how much they'll be and when they're due. For example, your rent or mortgage, car payment, insurance premiums, streaming subscriptions, phone or internet bill. Fixed expenses should be on auto pay to avoid missing or late payments. Next up, variable expenses. These change from month to month based on your usage, habits, or lifestyle. Groceries, gas, dining out, entertainment, clothing, and utilities. These can take up most of your income. That's why budgeting for variable expenses often means setting a limit or estimate. When money is tight, you will need to reduce your variable expenses first. Identifying your fixed and variable expenses will help you build a realistic budget. Identify where you can and need to cut back, and gain control over your spending. Grab a pen and paper and divide your monthly expenses into 2 columns, fixed and variable. Doing this will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can control your spending. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Drop a $sign in the comments if you're ready to take control of your expenses.